guys, this is Online Realtors. हजुरले हेरेको पिङ्क कलर घर तिना दुई धाममा बनेको छ. It's well shaped, nearby locality very clean हैन. East facing छ, 8 feet रोडमा. अनि property is 150 meter away from the highway with all amenities inside ring road. You can also explore a beautiful view from the property. It's in the height. The property has a loan of liability of 50 lakh. So हजुरले लोन लिँदा पनि हुन्छ, क्याश गर्दा पनि हुन्छ. And properties for those who has the budget under 2 crores. So 2 crore मै उहाँले दिँदै हुनुहुन्छ. उहाँको सेप हेर्नु हैन, property को very good. So nearby property को एकदम राम्रो commercials बनेको छ. The property has two side road. You can see on right now on the video हैन. अब यो बाटो चाहिँ सिधै तपाईको 4 फिट को छ, सिधै रोडमै टच हुन्छ. अनि अर्को बाटो जुन अघि हेर्नु भएको थियो त्यो चाहिँ 8 फिट को छ, उताबाट आउने बाटो हो. Right now I have a seller in my hands, so connect me on WhatsApp. Thanks.